All right, so if you're an event organizer, I'm going to show you, hands down, the easiest way to publish your own mobile app on the app stores. You don't need to be a software developer. You don't need to hire any software developers. You don't need to spend an arm and a leg. The entire process is self-serve, it's intuitive, and if you're watching this video now, you can be selling tickets to your events on the app stores by the end of the week. So let me show you how to set one of these up. So I'm on the Mobile Apps tab inside of PromoTix. That's this tab on the left side of the screen. Once you're here, there's this orange button in the top right, Create Mobile App. So I'm going to click on that. And then PromoTix gives you two options before you create your app. There's the single event app option and then the multiple event app option. So if you have a large event, let's say a music festival or a large conference, people need to be able to create their own schedules. You need to constantly give updates to your attendees. Go with the single event app option. If you're a venue or a promoter, let's say you throw 3 shows per week, go with the multiple event app option. So I'm going to create a multiple event app right now, and then it's just a 5-step process. So step 1, details. This is all of the basic information about your mobile app that the app stores are going to display. So for example, app title. I'm just going to put your company name. And I'm just going to continue filling out these fields here. And then finally on this screen, there's 2 places to upload an icon. So I'll get that going here. So the next screen, this is the marketing screen. So here you can upload a background image for your app, and you'll notice there's a preview on the right. So as you're building this out, you can see your mobile app come to life. So you can put in a video link. I'm going to upload an image. There we go. Hashtag, I'll do hashtag your company name. And then you can fill out your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram links as well. Save and continue. On the Maps tab, you can upload as many images as you want. So for example, if you're a venue, you can upload an image for parking, for the venue layout. I'm going to upload parking right now. All right. And then on the Forms tab, so one thing that's cool about the app is that your attendees, once they've downloaded it, they can fill out forms and you'll be notified through the app. So for example, become an ambassador. You can add that form to your app, bottle service, so on and so forth. And then the final step is the preview step. So on here, I can change the accent color, make it match the PromoTix branding a little bit. You can upload your logo here, so I'll go ahead and do that. There we go. Background images. So there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. And just kind of, click through, scroll around, click on the drawer, see how everything looks. And then once you're happy with it, click Save and Continue in the bottom right. We'll publish the mobile app on both the iOS and Android app stores, so we'll submit it for review. We'll handle the whole submission process for you. And then once it's approved and it's live on both of the app stores, we'll notify you, and then you can have all of your attendees download it. So that's the multiple event app option. Really quick, I want to show you the single event app option, show you the differences. So I'm going to click Exit, and I've already built out a single event app. So I'm going to click on the little 3 dots, click on Edit. And then you'll notice that there's 2 additional tabs in the creation process. You have the Stages tab in the top. So on this tab, however many stages you have for your event, you add all of your stages here. And the reason why that's important is because on the next tab, the Schedule tab, we're going to list out all of your performers or speakers inside of your mobile app. And then for each performer, you can click on the little pencil icon. You can add their website. You can assign them to a stage. And then you can also assign them a performance time. So that's the entire process for getting your mobile app published. But even after it's published, there's tools that you can leverage inside of PromoTix. So I have a different mobile app here. I'm going to click on it. And then when I scroll down at the very bottom, there's 2 very important tools. So the first tool is special offers. So this is a great way if you've just published your mobile app and you want to give people an incentive to download it. So if you want to create an offer, click on the Create an Offer button. And then you give your offer a name, you give it a description, you can schedule it for the future, set how many times that it can be redeemed. And then once you publish it, it will be made instantly available to everyone who's downloaded your app. So that's the first tool. And then the second tool at the very bottom, very important one, is push notifications. So I'm sure you're familiar with email marketing. You may have done text marketing as well in the past. So push notifications, you can reach people right on their phones. If you want to notify people about a new event that you just published or tickets just went on sale, create a push notification for it. So I click on create a notification, and then you're building this out, and you can preview it on the right as you're building it out. So for example, new event on sale now. You can give it a description, and then you can direct where you want that notification to link to. So it could be an internal link, one of the tabs inside of your mobile app. It could also be an external link to your website, blog, something like that. And then when you publish this, we're going to send that notification out to everyone who's downloaded your app. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it helped you understand a little bit more about PromoTix's mobile apps tool and how you can leverage this tool to build your brand, create a new sales channel, and sell more tickets to your upcoming events.